Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start where Windows 7 stores display controls. Control panel, appearance and personalization display. Once there, inspect current resolution and the scaling option. This tells you why elements appear large or small. Now click Adjust Resolution to begin. This is the first actionable change. Make sure you have administrator rights and note your monitor model. Those matter if drivers need updates later. You are changing two things: pixels per inch via resolution and DPI scaling for text and UI elements. You select a resolution from the list. Choose the recommended setting first, then test alternatives to match clarity and size. Once done, click Make Text and other items larger or smaller to change DPI scaling. This adjusts UI without altering pixel count. If finer control is needed, open Advanced Settings, Adapter tab, and list all modes to select exact refresh rate and color depth. Make a single change at a time, apply, and confirm the change so you can revert quickly if the new setting looks wrong. After you apply settings, Windows prompts to confirm. If you don't confirm, it reverts automatically. This prevents a blank or unusable screen. Once confirmed, run the Clear Type text tuner to sharpen fonts and restart the PC to ensure drivers load correctly. If the display is blank or scaling is incorrect, boot safe mode and roll back or update the display driver, or revert to previous settings. Make sure to keep the monitor's native resolution in mind. It provides the sharpest image and should be your default target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.